Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the 2.5-inch hard drive, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer and lift. Find the fan duct. Press the retention tabs on both sides to release it. Pull and remove the fan duct from the computer. Identify the hard drive assembly. Disconnect the hard drive data and power cables. Press the release tabs on both the sides of the hard drive bracket to release it from the slots. Tilt the hard drive assembly slightly at an angle and lift out of the system. Loosen the 4 screws securing the hard drive and remove the drive from the assembly. To reinstall 2.5-inch hard drive, place it back in the assembly. Tighten the 4 screws. Align the hard drive assembly at an angle to the slot and press the release tabs on the hard drive bracket. Connect the hard drive data and power cables. Position the fan duct to align it with the slots. Press the fan duct until it clicks into place. Slide the side cover to install it. Secure the side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.